What's up? Welcome back to the channel. We are on part, I don't know, 86. I never label these damn things, really. So we are trying to finish up the interior and some loose wiring and some other stuff. So let me flip this around and show you what the inside looks like so far. Oops. So we got our door sills in. I hit up the kick panels with some that, let's see how well you can see this. They were cracked and broken. That's my trunk release. So some CL glue and some paint. There's my carpeting. Actually, not bad stuff. I mean, I gotta vacuum it. The sound deadening is great. You know, compared to hollowness. The cluster's all done. Preamp wire's done. I am going to loom that little chunk right there. There is my temporary for now until I spend like a couple $100 for a aftermarket original looking Bluetooth stereo. I'm going to run that in one of those I don't know, Amazon or Walmart $5 Bluetooth thingies. So my seatbelts are in. All my seats are in. Need a lot of cleaning. I still have to, in the future, change the door panels out. Door panels, some sound deadening in the doors, because like these things are just loud as all hell. But I want to drive the car. So fix the fuel tank leak. I guess I had a pinhole, and pulled that cap off and welded it, and it doesn't leak anymore. Then in our trunk here, let me flip this. There's one of the little amps that was with the car. There's my fuel lines and everything. I will probably carpet the back of this, and I will get a plate to do the back seat, but I really didn't feel like it. So loom the fuel pump wiring. I just need to strap it down, and still need to strap that down, but that's what came with the car. And originally it was under the driver's seat. So hammered the sills pretty straight because they had some weird stuff. That's how the seats are going to look. Let's see. So I'm still debating to get like those eBay seat covers for this and cover those. Like I said, interior most likely is going to go black. I was thinking maybe plaid for the door cards, and still need to fill the radiator with fluids and make sure it doesn't leak, or I have to order a new one. So that is where we're at. I'm just buttoning up the last of the zip tying of wires under the dash here to before I put in the back seat, and then crawl in the trunk and mount the amp, do the last of the sound deadening. I should have done it before I put the back seat in, but I was all happy the seat belts went in and everything like that. So let me see if I could do a time lapse me putting wire loom on. Anyways. So there was my attempt at a hyperlapse. So here it is loomed in. I don't know what you can see all the other stuff under the dash, but yep. Oh, I threw some paint on the box here because it looked faded. So as you see, everything under, from here down on the dash is black. The panels will eventually get swapped out because they're water damaged. So I gotta go get some wood, cut these out, some fabric, and so on and so forth. So that's for a later date, but there we go. Just need to put the seat back in and tidy up the speaker stuff as I mentioned, and put the hood on, make sure the radiator doesn't leak, and that's where I'm at. So thank you all for liking, subscribing, sharing, not sharing, hating, whatever. I mean, this is hot rodding, people. Do what you want with what you got, and enjoy it, have fun. Anyways, happy New Year's, everyone. Hope this year is going to be better than or as good as last year. I don't know. Some people had a great last year. So anyways, peace out.